If you're a lover of bread, please raise your hand in the comments, because what? It goes with just everything. Okay, not everything, but almost everything. Hey Fully Fam, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? How have you been? I'm making a very simple sandwich recipe today. In fact, you can make this in less than 3 minutes. For this recipe, you need boiled egg. All you have to do is put it in a plate and mash it together. Then add mayonnaise and, of course, cabbage. Although some people use lettuce, but I feel like lettuce gives like this bitter taste, and I don't know, the one I tried, I didn't like it, so I preferred the one with cabbage. But you can do any one that you prefer. Then I also added pepper powder. That's like just grinded pepper that I sprinkled into the mix just to give it a little bit of spice. You can skip this option if you're not a spice person. But yeah, that's all we need. And this is a no heat recipe, so all you have to do is spread your mix onto your bread, cover, and take a bite. And that feeling is what you get, because yeah, it's yummy. I mean, there's egg, there's meal. Hello. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to tag me on Instagram when you recreate this recipe. You can always use more eggs, more mayonnaise, more cabbage, more anything that you want. You can always adjust every recipe to your liking. Oh, how can I forget? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn on post notifications. Yeah, all of that. And please, if you have gotten to this part of the video, you might as well subscribe, because you're already part of the Luscious family. You will keep getting notifications whether you subscribe or not. I serve a living God. Bye guys.